Hey guys, day 4 in our extended break. This is your agenda for day 4, April 3rd. Make sure that you are watching these videos. They're super important because I do go through a lot of things that you need to know on Google Classroom. First thing, reminder, there is a Zoom meeting today at 9 a.m. Make sure that you get into that Zoom meeting because if you have any questions or you need anything clarified, I can do that. And I can go play by play, opening different assignments. I can show you my screen and things like that. Okay, so make sure you're getting on there. We can chat about what's due, what you're having difficulties with, and whatnot, just to see how you guys are doing. All right, so make sure you get on that. Today's due now assignment. So you're going to go to your classwork, go to your due now. This is your screen that you see. Okay, I made my own. Go to view assignment. Make sure you're clicking on view assignment. Okay. Every day you should be going into this screen here because Google does save your work. So make sure you're doing that. Okay. If you click on that page that you should have already started, your due now should be here. Okay. So day 3 should have been what were the two rivers that ran through Mesopotamia. And then today is day 4. So who was the person who led the Hebrews out of slavery in Egypt? If you don't remember, you can go back into the reading from day 3. From day 3. Okay, so make sure that you do that. So from yesterday. So I'm going to click out of that. Today we are going to go back to our social studies. Today we are going to go into News ELA article. Okay, so and we're going to talk about, we go all the way down to News ELA. We already did the Babylonian Empire. We're going to talk about Mummy Speaks Again. This is a really cool one. So this is, where am I at? This is the article here. Okay, Mummy Speaks Again. Make sure you click on that. As you can see, the readings do pop up, so make sure you, if you want to, you can listen to me reading the article for you out loud. Some of you did take the last News ELA quiz. This is where you're going to find your quiz here, Google form. But make sure that you go back and you use the article if you need to. Okay, you might have to do like a split screen, like I've showed you before, where you have the article on one side and then you have the quiz on the other. Make sure you do that because the quizzes weren't the greatest the last time. Okay, so make sure you're doing that. Other than that, today's a kind of easy day. All right, so do now 1, read the article 2, and then take the ELA News ELA quiz. Okay, super easy. Don't forget about the Zoom meeting, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.